Kia ora, I'm David Chester with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news that markets have reacted sharply to a small miss in the US inflation rate. The impact on the New Zealand dollars has been large. This small change in the American inflation rate has brought about huge reactions. The US CPI slipped in August from 8.5% in July to 8.3% at an annual rate. Month on month, the rate rose from 0 in July to 0.1% in August, or an annualised rise of just 1.2%. The data may seem tame, but it wasn't the fall to 8.1% that markets were expecting, and there's been a truly outsized reaction. Equity markets have dived, bond yields have jumped, the US dollar has strengthened sharply. Markets are bracing for a Fed that says it is more determined than ever to squash inflation, and benchmark policy rate hikes may now be higher for longer given the policy action so far doesn't seem to be working apparently. The market reaction seems to be based on the fear that the inflation flight might necessitate their economy suffering a hard landing and a period of recession. In China, it appears that another very high-profile company is in trouble, mainly because of exposure to the property sector. This could be another HNA-style meltdown. This company is Fosun International. Beijing has apparently told its state-owned banks and other SOEs to review their exposures to the company. The Shanghai-based company was built on debt and has seen its share price wither by half in the past year. Today's official warnings may trigger some sharp moves when the Hong Kong Stock Exchange opens later today. The economic sentiment in Germany has dived to its lowest level since the GFC, obviously driven by concerns about what lies ahead in a winter without the backstop of Russian energy supplies. In Australia, conditions haven't hurt business confidence there. The widely watched NAB Business Sentiment Survey for August improved, with the conditions holding high and confidence improving in business sectors. Westpac had a Consumer Sentiment Survey out too, and that improved as well. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.42%, another 6 basis points firmer from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will open today at $1,704 an ounce, down a sharpish $25 from this time yesterday. But that was a minor fall compared with other precious metals. And the oil prices start today 50 cents lower at just under $87.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $93 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today sharply lower at just on 60.1 US cents, and an overnight fall of 1.5 cents from this time yesterday. And that's a 28-month low. Against the Australian dollar, we're down to 88.9 Australian cents and a 0.5% fall. That's a 9-year low. Against the euro, we're also a 0.5% low at 60.2 euro cents. That all means that our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 69.8 and a fall of 90 basis points over the past day. The last time we were this low was in November 2020. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz.